Meme marketing turns cultural jokes into brand currency. When done right, it delivers faster reach, higher engagement, and lower costs than traditional creative, especially with Gen Z and young millennials who live inside meme ecosystems daily. What makes memes powerful? Memes move across networks with a built in incentive to share. Humor and relatability trigger tagging, reposts, and quick reactions, which compounds organic reach without heavy ad spend. Studies report memes deliver roughly 10 times wider reach, with about 60% higher organic interaction than polished static graphics, making them ideal for attention thin feeds and trend cycles that shift weekly. In practical terms, a campaign's click through rate can rise from a typical 6% to about 19% when executed as meme native creative. Who engages and where? Gen Z is the primary amplifier, with 50% spending 4 plus hours daily on social and 88% reached on YouTube, while Instagram remains a meme epicenter and Reddit communities have grown double digits for this cohort. They also increasingly use social instead of search, 46% preference, so brand discovery via meme-led feeds is more likely than via traditional search pages for this audience. Audiences reward authentic humor and punish try-hard posts, so cultural fluency and timing are critical. Performance signals to track. The operational advantage of memes is velocity, shares per hour, unique reposts across pages, and sudden reach spikes reveal whether a format resonates before scaling media. Beyond engagement, behavior moves. In a Gen Z focused study, 64.7% reported visiting a brand site after encountering meme content, with measurable lifts in app downloads and follows, evidence that memes can nudge action, not just laughs, market size, and momentum. Memes have matured into an economic layer. The global meme economy has been projected from about $2.3 billion in 2020 to $6.1 billion by 2025 at 21.6% CAGR, reflecting creator networks, meme pages, tooling, and brand demand. Parallel cultural spillovers are visible in adjacent markets. Meme coins swung from approximately $20 billion to approximately $120 billion in 2024, showing how meme narratives can concentrate attention and capital at internet speed. Why it works for brands. Meme posts fit the feed's native language, so audiences don't skip them like ads. They interact because the content mirrors how they already talk online. This effect translates into marketing math. Brands using memes are reported as over 60% more likely to attract purchases in some summaries, and meme campaigns show around a 14% higher CTR than email. Case histories from Indian institutions and platforms like Mumbai Please and Tinder India show memes can humanize voices and drive awareness at scale when aligned to topical context. Meme marketing isn't just humor, it's a bridge between your brand and internet culture. By embracing memes, businesses can connect authentically, stay relevant, and increase their chances of going viral, all while keeping costs low. Want a meme marketing agency that makes memes go viral every time? You just found it.